YouTube, we back at it with more Jimin. Back at it with who? This time we got he performed it on the Tonight Show with Jimmy Fallon. So let's check it out.
We never met, but she's all I see at night. Never met, but she's always on my mind. Wanna give her the world and so much more.
Let's go. Who is my heart waiting for? Oh man.
If every day I think about her, yeah, every day of my life. And then tell me why I haven't found her. So many people to see, places to go. We never met, but she's all I see at night.
Let's go.
Never met, but she's always on my mind. Wanna give her the world and so much more.
Let's go. Who is my heart waiting for?
I'll take her places, stay and found it. I'll put it all on the line. I'll be there someone she can count on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's so many people to see.
I love the choreo too, bro. Oh, this song is so good.
We never met, but she's all I see at night. Never met, but she's always on my mind. Wanna give her the world and so much more. Who is my heart waiting for? Is she someone that I see every day?
Like I've obviously heard BTS songs before, like previous to me starting this channel, but my first impression of like Jimin's vocals, like it was on Animals. Oh my gosh, it really blew my mind. I'm like, wait a minute, that's coming from him. Yo, it really blew my mind. And just, yeah, bro,
Is she somewhere 1,000 miles away?
I couldn't believe what I was hearing.
The world and so much more. Waiting for, heart waiting for, heart waiting for, heart waiting for. Who is my heart? We never met, but she's all
break it down
I
now.
see at night. Never met, but she's always on my mind.
Yeah.
Wanna give her the world and
It's about to go crazy.
much more. Who is my heart waiting for? Wanna give her the world and so much.
This man's voice is like truly like God gifted, bro. Like the man.
Wanna give her the world and so much more. Who is my heart waiting for?
Oh, this. I mean, listening to it for a second time, it's just even better. Oh man. He said those high notes are hard. I mean, I couldn't tell. He made it look easy. Damn, this was phenomenal. Jimin, man. Yeah, boy. We might have to, I don't even know, what is the word? A little marathon or whatever of just reacting to Jimin's solo song. 'Cause, man, this was great. YouTube, I hope y'all enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next. This was phenomenal, man.